Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magagandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung example sa ating 10 cents na Canadian coins. I-share ko lang sa inyo guys ang ating history tungkol dito guys. Dahil mayroon itong napakalaking presyo na nakadisplay sa ating online selling. So bago tayo magpunta doon guys sa ating online selling, tapusin muna natin ang kanyang history guys para malaman po natin kung anong mga nakalaman dito sa kanyang history. At ito yun guys ang kanyang description. In Canada, a dime is a coin worth 10 cents. It has been the physically smallest Canadian coin. So ito yun guys. Since 1922, the smaller even than the penny despite its higher face value. According to the Royal Canadian Mint, the official national term of the coin is the 10 cent piece. But in practice, the term dime predomination in English speaking Canada. It is the nearly identical in size to the American dime. Is a magnetic due to the distinct metal composition. The word dime comes from the French word dime meaning tithe or tenth part. From the Latin decima or farce, 1969 large date. Fewer than 20 example of the large date variety excess high grade version of the coin sell for 15,000 up to 30,000 US dollar. Elizabeth II or Elizabeth Alexandra Mary in 1926 hanggang 2022 was Queen of the United Kingdom and the 14 other Commonwealth realms. Her reign of 70 years and 7 months, which began on February 6, 1952, was the longest of any British monarch's history. When her father died in February 1952, Elizabeth, then 25 years old, became a queen, regnant of 7 independent Commonwealth countries: the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Pakistan, and Ceylon or Sri Lanka. As well as head of the Commonwealth, Elizabeth reigned as a constitutional monarch through major political changes such as the Trouble in Northern Ireland, devolution in United Kingdom, the decolonization of Africa, and the United Kingdom accession to the European communities and withdrawal from the European Union. Then of her realms varied over time as territories have gained independence and some realms have become republics. Time of personal significance have included the births and marriage of her children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren, her coronation in 1953 and the celebration of her silver, golden, diamond, and platinum jubilees in 1977, 2002, 2012, and 2022 respectively. So ang obverse natin guys, ito yung mga example ito guys sa second crown portrait of H.M. Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. In 1979, the obverse design was modified to use a smaller portrait of Queen Elizabeth. The reason to make the portrait more proportional to the coin for every denomination. The easiest way to tell as a modified tiara from an original is to look at the distance between the forward point of the lower vase and the rim. That's and the distance between the forward affair. The jewels on the tiara and the rim dots. In the addition, the rim dots are farther from the edge than they are on the 1965 and 1978 overs. The Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara was a wedding present in 1947 from her grandmother Queen Mary, who received it as a gift from the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland in 1893 on the occasion of her marriage to the Pauls of Yorks. Later, George V, made by Elizabeth Wolf and Corporation. It was purchased from Garrard and Corporation by a committee organized by the Lady Eve Greville in 1914. Mary adopted the tiara to take 13 diamonds in place of the large oriental pearls surmounting the tiara. At first, Elizabeth wore the tiara without its base and pearls, but the base was reattached in 1969. The Girls of Great Britain and the Ireland tiara is one of Elizabeth's most recognizable pieces of the jewelry due to its widespread use on British banknotes and coinage. Engraver Arnold Machin. Reverse depicts the blue-nose undersail, a Canadian schooner from Nova Scotia, a celebrated racing ship and a symbol of the province, is surrounded by the official value and the country name. The artist used 3 ships including the blue nose as his models, so the ship design is actually a composite. The engraver, si Emmanuel Otto Hahn. At ito yon ang ating example guys sa ating 10 cents na si Queen Elizabeth II. So ang issue nito guys is Canada. Elizabeth II from 1952 hanggang 2022. Ang type nito guys is standard circulation coin. So ang value 10 cents na Pilipinas guys, mayroon lang itong 4 pesos and 15 centavos. Currency nito is dollar from 1858. Ang composition is nickel. Ang timbang 2.07 grams, may diameter siya na 18.034 mm at ang kanyang thickness 1.19 mm. Ang shape is round, thickness mild, orientation middle alignment. May referensya dito guys na number KM number 77 and show number 61B.3 and 61B.4. So ang number niya ay number 7518. So ang bust natin guys, ang overs of bust of Queen Elizabeth II as the 37 years old of age, wearing the wearing the tiara facing right. Script Latin lettering Elizabeth II, DG Regina. Unabridged Legends Elizabeth II, De Gracia Regina. Translation: Elizabeth II, Queen by the Grace of God. Designer Arnold Machin. Ang reverse, the blue nose undersail and Canadian schooner from Nova Scotia, and celebrated the racing ship and the symbol of the province surrounding with the peace value and the inscription of Canada. Script Latin lettering Canada at saka year 19 Halo-halo ito guys. Mayroong 2006 hanggang 2021. 10 cents. Designer si Emmanuel Otto Hans. May age siya na reeded. Ang kanyang mints ay Royal Canadian Mint, Ottawa, Canada, 1908. Ang Winnipeg is 1976. So ito yung mga example natin guys sa ating 10 cents na nakadisplay doon sa ating EB online. Mayroong 1974 na nagkahalaga ng 480 US dollars. At mayroon ding taon na 2000, year 2000. Ang mint mark is Philadelphia. Nagkakahalaga ng 8,999.99 US dollars. So umabot ng 500,000 guys. 500,000. So ang ating example guys, ang year 2000 na mayroong Philadelphia mint mark. May grado siya guys ng MS67 galing sa PCGS guys. So umabot ng 503,999.44 pesos or 8,999 US dollar. So yan guys ang ating mga nakuhang impormasyon doon sa ating history tungkol dito sa ating 10 cents ni Queen Elizabeth II, Queens ng Canada, at sa ating source of information sa EB Selling Online. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys. God bless sa ating lahat.